Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Thule Transporter, a rear hitch mounted cargo storage box. Fairly quick install. It installs into your rear hitch. Here I have a 2-inch receiver. They do come in 1 1/4 inch as well. All you got to do is pick it up. And slide it in. All right, once you have it in place, you want to go ahead and make sure the holes are aligned and get your hitch pin. Go ahead and slide it in and then just lock it in place. All right, now it's secured. Now you want to get your wiring. This is for the brake and license plate light, and plug it in. So my car does come with a 7-pin trailer hitch wiring. I went ahead and bought the adapter so I can change it to a 4-pin, which the Thule Transporter comes with a 4-pin. I'll go ahead and place the link for both the adapter on the description below. And once you do that, that's all there is to it. I do like this cargo box just because it has waist level access. It also has minimal impact on the vehicle's aerodynamics, unlike the roof mounted ones. I'm only 5'4" and it's tough to reach the roof mounted cargo. So this cargo box tilts down for easy access to the rear of the vehicle. All you want to do is release this pin here and let it down. There you have it. All right, when you're all done, go ahead and close your rear cargo area. And all you have to do is pull this back and lock the pin in place. Just like that. Now it's secured. But in my case, for the 3rd gen Honda Pilot, I barely made clearance, so I don't need to tilt it down if I want access to the rear cargo area. Just barely. Can barely fit my finger. So it does come with your tail lights and your license plate light, which works when you hit the brake. Has parking lights at 50%. When you hit the brake, it goes 100%. Your left signal and your right signal and your hazard emergency lights. So the volume inside measures at 13 cubic feet versus the Thule Evolution measuring at 16 cubic feet. It does come with looks like a license plate accessory and a wrench with the bolt to connect your hitch. Its measurements are 50.5 by 23.5 by 24.5. Its load capacity is at 150 pounds and only weighs 55 pounds. If you have some play, just like this, a lot of wiggling, they do make a hitch clamp for it. Don't forget to watch my other video. I just ordered it. It should be coming in tomorrow. I'll make another video on how to install the hitch clamp. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more installs and videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.